Hi everyone, and welcome back to Destination Sturgeon Bay's Quarantine Kitchen. It's been a while, but we're back to share some of our favorite holiday recipes, and today we'll be making hot cocoa bombs with a Door County twist. So what we have here is just some, I used the small silicone round molds, and we are just going to take some melted chocolate chips that I have here. I just used milk chocolate, but you can use whatever chocolate you prefer. And I am going to coat my silicone molds in the chocolate. Okay, so once I have a pretty good even layer in the silicone molds, I'm just going to flip them upside down and tap to just get the excess off and to make sure that there's a nice even layer. Alrighty, now they're all ready to go in the freezer. So once you have your chocolate out of the molds, you're gonna take a warm skillet, put it on a pot holder there, and then you're going to fill 1/2 with Door County Coffee's hot chocolate mix. And then I'm gonna add a couple marshmallows in there. And then for the top, I'm gonna take another 1/2 round. I'm going to just melt the sides on the pan and then stick it on top of our filled one. So it looks like this. I'm just putting it in the mold just so that it's still a little bit stable. And then I'll do another one. Okay, my hot chocolate bombs are all set and they are in my glass. I put 2 hot chocolate bombs in here just because mine are a little bit smaller. So next I'm gonna get my milk. And I'm just going to pour over. Give this a good stir. Add a couple more marshmallows to the top and some crushed candy canes. Thanks for watching, and as always, for more information on all things Sturgeon Bay, visit sturgeonbay.net.